Now, looking for SRS is the same as looking for ABS. So if you saw the previous video of ABS, you know it's right below that SRS, but here we go with the independent SRS video. So once you've established communication with the vehicle, as you see it defaults to the check engine if you have any codes or not, press System Status button, scroll down to SRS, highlight it, press the Enter button on the middle of the tool. And once it links up, it will let you know if you have no SRS DTCs or if you have, for example, like a B0126. B stands for body, and that's what SRS codes start with. Now, DTCs is diagnostic trouble codes. Now, a tip here is if you do get a message that is unable to establish communication, check your SRS fuses to make sure none are blown. If you have a blown SRS fuse, the tool will not connect to the SRS module to read it. And also, sometimes an SRS light might be on just because of a blown SRS fuse. Now, if there was any codes here, you just go ahead and you want to erase them, go ahead and press the erase button. You get a prompt just making sure if you want to erase it. If you're sure, hit yes, and it will let you know if it was successful. Now, if you get the message sent, that means it was unsuccessful. Now, anytime there's no SRS DTCs, and this applies for ABS and check engine, you can erase them and it's going to get a successful. Same, but if you do have the code, if you get that message sent, then there's another issue going on with the SRS module.